This project was inspired by those carts I often see people carry on the bus. I wanted to build something with the same form factor that could be towed by a bike, which would be useful for extra long distance trips requiring a moderate load capacity, like when I go to the wholesale produce market in downtown LA. That's right, it's another bike trailer. Now it did help that I already did half the work in that I reused the bicycle magnet fishing attachment for the base of this. All I did was detach the magnets, unbolt and cut off the linkage, re-welded on perpendicularly, weld an extended frame for the trailer. I then extended the linkage with bed frame angle iron, and made this folding section, which would make it more stable because, as I discovered before, having a short linkage at 45 degrees was quite disastrous. The folding angle is locked in place with these two brackets, which double as handle extensions in the folded configuration. These secure on with 3 clevis pins. And lastly, the hitch I used was the chain link design from this video. Yes, I basically just took the parts from the magnet fishing attachment, welded on a frame, bolted on some extra casters, bolted on a basket, extended the handle a bit, made this hinge mechanism thingy out of bed frame angle iron, reconfigured the hitch so now it's the other way around, and then attached these linkage thingies with clevis pins so it can fold up. I was originally going to have them bolt on here, but then I remembered my first bike trailer and how inconvenient it was to have to unscrew everything to take it apart, so now it's just as easy as hitch pin clip, whoop, and then you can take it out. ABC. Take. The handle. Boom, boom, boom. Put them back in before the battery runs out on the camera. And there you go. Dolly mode activated. Yeah. Oh wait, sunlight. Yeah. Then to do it in reverse, it's just in reverse. Boom. Where's the pliers? Get the pliers. Good to go. And now the self-promotion alert where you can check out the video on my other channel where I take this trailer on the bus to downtown LA to get a whole bunch of produce.